Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In the previous session, we had discussed the regular expression module in Python. How to import the regular expression module, what are the functions that are available in the module. Now in this session, we will move to the meta characters present in the regular expression. Now the first meta character we are using is this brackets. These brackets, what is the meaning of this one? The meaning is simply I am searching a pattern in the given string. I am searching a pattern in the given string. That is simply it searches for a set of characters in the given range. A set of characters in the given range. This is the meaning of this one. Now I will explain all the meanings, and step by step we will elaborate with an example. Okay, and one more meta character is slash. The meaning of slash is simply slash acts as an escape sequence or it signals a special sequence. That is, after slash we are writing something. After slash we are writing some information, and that information is executed. No problem. First I will explain all the meta characters. After then I will explain the meta characters by considering an example. Next one, dot. Dot is a meta character. The meaning of this dot is after a particular character. Dot means simply any character except new line. Remember, dot represents any character is represented except a new line character. And power or cap symbol. This symbol represents check whether a given letter or a given string starts with or not. Starts with or not. Dollar. It checks for if the given string ends with the particular string or not. Star, dollar. Now next one is star. Star means 0 or more occurrences. 0 or more occurrences of a given character. 0 or more occurrences of a given character. Plus means 1 or more occurrences. And this flower bracket means exact matches. The flower bracket means exact. See, here star means 0 or more occurrences, plus means 1 or more occurrences. Here it checks for exact match. Okay, and one more symbol is a pipe symbol. Here this pipe symbol specifies either or. Okay, these are some of the meta characters that are present in the regular expression package. Now we will discuss each and every meta character with an example. What is the first one? First one is this brackets. First step is, what is the first step? We have to import the package. Import RE. That is, the package is imported, and read a string. Suppose the string is hello, how are you? How are you, friend? Welcome to Python. So whatever the string, welcome to Python meta characters. Suppose I am reading a string, this one. Now step by step perform each meta character. X is equal to re dot find all. So this bracket. So whatever the pattern we are writing in this bracket, all those characters that are present in between these two are displayed. See this one. For example, here I am writing C to for example some K, L, whatever it is, C to L. If I am writing in this fashion and my string is S1, we already know the find all function. simply print X. Here what happens? Here what happens? Observe all the characters that are present between C and L. The characters that are present between C and L are displayed. Okay, you got it? See. See the output. First, H is between C and L. E, L, L. Here this O. O is not in between C and L. O is not in between C and L. So that's why O is not displayed. Okay. The first string is simply it produces a set of characters that are present in this given range. That are present in the given range. Okay. What is the next one? Second one is slash. Simply it is escape sequence or escape special characters. What the slash do? Suppose I am using the same example. Instead of this one, if I am writing backslash W, if I am writing backslash W, here this is a special sequence. We will discuss the special sequence concept in the next video. So in that, before that I will explain. W means characters. W means characters, that is all the characters that are present in the string are displayed. Simply all the characters that are present in the string are displayed. See, hello, how are you, welcome to Python meta characters. For example, if you are using D and I am changing my string, for example, hello 479. So here D means all the digits that are present in the given string. See, these are the digits. Okay, you got the meaning of slash? Slash means after slash we are writing a character and the meaning of that character is executed. Meaning of that character is executed. Okay, that is escape. So we have completed 2 points. One is this one, that is within brackets. Second one is slash. What is third one? Any character except a new line. Third one is any character except a new line. Okay. Suppose here I am writing HE dot dot. What is the meaning of this one? Any word that starts with HE and followed by any two characters are printed. A word that starts with HE and it follows any two characters. See this one. Here you have only one HE. What are the next two characters? The next two characters are LL. So HELL is printed. For example, see this one. H followed by two characters. Now what is the output? Here we have H. Here also we have NH. So see this one. H followed by EL. Here H followed by OW. And here H followed by HON. Here H followed by AR. That is, compare every string, check the entire string. If there is a H followed by any two characters. Any two characters. For example, S. See the output. Why it is empty? Here S is the last character. After S there are no characters. After S there are no characters. So it gives an error. So not an error, it gives an empty list. It gives an empty list. In the similar fashion, dot can be used at the beginning also. Dot can be used at the beginning also and or at the same time. Dot H. Suppose if you like this, see this one. HE. After HE you can write any four characters and end with H. See, after HE 1, 2, 3 space is also considered 4 and it is ended with H. We can write in this fashion also. The dots are written at the end of a string, at the end or at the middle, or you can write the dot at the beginning. See here, what is this? Two dots followed by NL. Okay, see. Third character L, HEL, this is okay. In this welcome, WEL, it is okay. You got it? This is the meaning of dots. Dot means that many number of characters. Remember, it is not words, that many number of characters. Check whether a given pattern, the meaning of this one, check whether a given pattern is starts with or not. Starts with or not. Suppose, see this one, HELLO. The given string S1 starts with hello or not. Okay, yes, hello. Suppose if you want to check this fashion, yes or no, if of X, print yes, else print no. You can also write like this fashion. So see this one, that means the string starts with hello. The string starts with hello. Remember, here only the string. For example, if you write like this HOW, see what is the answer? Answer is no. That is, here the string does not starts with hello. The string does not starts with hello. Okay, that is cap symbol. That is, check whether a string starts with the given pattern or not. Similarly, what is the next one? Next one is ending. Suppose RS dollar. Here cap is started at the beginning, dollar is written at the end of a pattern. Check whether the given string ends with RS or not. Yes, so RS is displayed. Suppose you can write like this, ERS. Okay, last three characters are ERS. Execute. So again ERS. For example, KERS. Last four characters, it is no. That is, this cap symbol checks whether the string starts with this particular pattern or not. Similarly, this dollar symbol checks whether the string ends with this particular pattern or not. Now, the next one is star. Star means 0 or more occurrences of a given character. 0 or more occurrences of a given character. Okay, for example, C star. What happens? C is checked in the given string. Either C is present 0 or many number of times. C is present 0 or many number of times. All those positions are displayed. That is, all those are displayed. See this one. First H, C is not present. C not present. Here we have a C. So this C is displayed. Here we have a C. This is displayed. Here C is present 0 or more occurrences. If you are using plus, consider the same example. If you are using plus, what is the plus? 1 or more occurrences. 1 or more occurrences. See, C is repeated 1 or more occurrences. Now for example, E, L star. What is the meaning of this one? Remember, the star or plus or any symbol is applied to the last character only. Is applied to the last character only. That is, it checks the pattern, it checks the given string, that is with E, checks the given string that contains the letter E followed by 0 or any number of else. Again I will explain. It checks the given string for a match of E. Whenever E occurs, after E, it checks 0 or more number of else. 0 or more number of else. See this one. First here E is identified. After E we have LL. Again where E. See this one. Here E is identified, matched. After E there is 0L. If you are using star, 0 or more occurrences are accepted. Here E. There is no L. So this E is only displayed. Here E we have an L. That is, E is displayed by default. If there is a match, the corresponding E is displayed, and after E we have to check for L. How many number of times? That is either 0 or many number of times. See the same example. Here what is the output? The first one is E. After E, compulsory we have at least one L. See this one. Okay, you observe the difference between star and n, and remember this star or plus is applied to the last character only. The first character by default, the first character is matched. Okay, after matching it applies the star to the last character. Okay, along with this we have an exact match. What is the star one? Star specifies 0 or more occurrences, plus specify 1 or more occurrences, but here this bracket specify this. I will write this bracket specify exact one match. Execute. EL, that is after E we have exactly 1L. Exactly 1L. Suppose in the given string EL, here also EL. For example, if I am writing 2, observe, that means after E we have to check for 2 L's. You got it? Observe, here after E we are check the entire string. Whenever E present, after E we have to check whether L is present 0 or any number of times. Here L is present 1 or any number of times. All those possible cases are displayed. But in this case, after E, L is present only 2 times. L is present only 2 times. So execute. See, we have only one case. Here after E, L is present only in the string. Only in the string. That is the bracket. That is the bracket. Okay. 0 or more, 1 or more, exact match. And the finally either or. Either or means check whether a string contains this or that one. For example, see this one. See this one, hello or good. Execute. Hello is present. That is, if the string contains either a word hello or good. Hello or good. For example, how. So both hello and how are present. Both hello and how are present. You got it? This symbol specifies whether a given string contains these patterns or not. If the patterns are present, at least one pattern. So here this R symbol specifies at least one pattern. So okay, these are the meta characters. These are the meta characters that are available in regular expression. Okay, in the next session we will discuss the special sequences that are available in regular expression. Thank you.